Has your PC ever crashed, frozen, or shown some random error, and you had no clue what caused it? Well, Windows actually has two built-in tools that can tell you exactly what went wrong: the Event Viewer and Reliability Monitor. But which one should you use? Let's find out. So here's the deal. Event Viewer is like a huge logbook that records almost everything happening on your computer. On the other hand, Reliability Monitor gives you a simple timeline that shows how stable your system has been over time. By the end of this video, you'll know what each one does and when to use them. Let's start with Event Viewer. You can open it by pressing the Windows key and typing Event Viewer in the search bar. Now, what does it do? Think of it as a giant diary where Windows writes down every single event, application errors, system warnings, security logs, driver crashes, and even regular events like the system booting up. Sounds powerful, right? But here's the catch. It's extremely detailed. For beginners, it can look overwhelming. We have a video tutorial for the Event Viewer, and it should appear somewhere near the top right corner. If it doesn't, click on the eye icon to check the video. Now, back to the topic. The Event Viewer is super useful if you're troubleshooting a specific problem, like a blue screen error, an app that keeps crashing, or some strange driver issue. For example, here's a log. You can see the time it happened, the source, and even an event ID. You can look up that event ID online and find possible fixes. That's where Event Viewer really shines. Now, let's move to Reliability Monitor. You can open it by searching for Reliability Monitor, or you could open the control panel, click on Review Your Computer Status, under System and Security, expand Maintenance, and select Reliability History. When you open it, you'll see a graph with a stability score from 1 to 10. Each day has markers showing if there were errors, warnings, or updates. Click on a day, and you can see exactly what failed. Maybe an app crashed, Windows had an error, or a driver failed. It's way more user-friendly than Event Viewer. With just a quick glance, you can tell if your system has been stable or if there's a pattern of crashes. So which one is better? Well, they serve different purposes. Event Viewer is the microscope. It shows you every tiny detail about what happened. Reliability Monitor is more like a health report. It gives you the big picture of your system's stability. One is detailed and technical, the other is visual and beginner-friendly. My advice? Use both. Start with Reliability Monitor. If you just want a quick overview of how stable your PC has been. If you spot a problem and need more detail, jump into Event Viewer to dig deeper. That way, you get the best of both worlds, a simple overview and detailed logs when needed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.